Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we have a Temu haul. So let's go ahead and check out some of the goodies I was able to find. Okay, first thing I want to share is this strawberry napkins. Look at that. That is super cute. I believe you get 20 of them in a package. I have some strawberry bee swamp that I'm entering. But look at these. Look at that. And you do get, let's see, it does come in fours. So look at that. How nice is that? Real nice. I got the strawberries. It's actually a real nice size. Makes a real nice mini album or pocket, bookmark, either or. Okay, the next thing I hold here. Now these are some flowers. Actually, they're not enough resealable, but check those out. They are iridescent and they are in pastel color. These are just a little flower hanging that you hang on charms and stuff. But that's really nice. Real nice. I got those. Next thing I have are some well, actually these are keychains, and these are, I believe, I want to say moths. Let me look. Yeah, so you get six of them, and you get different type of moths, and the gold clasp. Look at that. So cute. Love those. These ones here. Now I've been ordering little flowers. I like to add them to embellish little projects. But these are even smaller. I have others, but look at these. I mean, you could use them on as a spacer for beads, for dangles, or use it on your scrapbooking projects. If I use it on a scrapbooking, I'll put a little gem in the middle and stick it on my project with my ATC cards. So yeah, love those. And you get a good amount in here. Leave 100 pieces in there. I got those. Another thing I hold are these flower. Now these are flower. I think they have holes, so you could, yeah. Now these are not for beadable pens, but you can use them for dangles, which is why I got them. Or you can even glue them to projects. But look at that. And you get blue, pink, yellow, mint green, purple, dark pink, and white. So yeah, you get a good amount in there also. Let me show you those. Look at that. Love those. Love. Okay, the next one I hold are some neon. You know, I don't have a lot of neon. And with all the 80s and 90s stuff coming out on dyes, I want to have some neon stuff. So in case someone does a neon or a retro, well, 80s, 90s type of theme swap, I want to have some beads on hand. But look at that. They are clear. I believe this shop had some that was white with the different colors, but I got the clear ones. So nice. So nice. Oh, look at these. So these are they're like tulip beads, and these are kind of good size. Look at these. These are pretty. and they are AB. Look at that. They get green, pink, purple, white, and they are beadable. Let me see if they go on a beadable pen. My pokey tool is like a 2mm. Yeah, so these will fit on beadable pens also. That, I'm going to have to buy more. Next thing I hauled were these hearts, and they remind me like raspberry hearts. Yeah, look at that. So you get pink, yellow, green, and purple. Let's see if these go on a beadable. Yep, they do fit on a beadable. Real nice. I love it. Now, next thing I hauled, and I hauled these because I do have a lot of little flowers stuff, and these are just leaves. And look at you get a lot in there. Look at that. I wanted those so I can make my own little dangles like those. Oh, I like these. Now these are, you can't see them here, but these are exactly like this here, the black ones. I will put a picture of this, but these are the flower heads, and they are for dangles. I got them so I could add them to little leaves and stuff. So I got those. These are actually really nice. They're matted, so that's why you can't really tell. But I will put a picture in the video so you can see those. That's nice. I like that for Halloween. Next thing I hauled are these bouquet of flowers. How pretty is that? Look at that. Now I don't know if these will fit on a beadable pen. Oh, actually, yeah, they fit. So this is a 3-pack. Love, love, love. Oh, I guess I did buy the white ones. So with the clear, I did get the white ones. Look at that. And I got these for like 80 swaps or 90s. Those will work good for that. And then another thing I hauled are some, these were flowers. Yeah, check these out. These are flower charms, and they have a butterfly with some flowers. This comes in purple, pink, blue, and like, oh yeah, pink, blue. But look at that. How elegant. That is so, so pretty. And you get 6 of these. So, so pretty. Love it. Love, love, love. Next thing I have are some stickers. I don't know which ones these are. Oh, these are like the cutesy stickers. Let your dreams come true. And I love like it has a little halo shine to it. Like that one. Slow down. Life is not a race. You are not behind in life. To do. Wake up. Drink an iced coffee. And do your best. So, so cute. Here goes another one. Note to self. Look at that. How cute is that? So it's got a lot of little motivation stuff. Today will be a good day. Another one. So these are actually really, really nice. Brighter days are coming. Yeah, so these are all like motivational. I like to put little stuff into swaps and stuff like that. Actually, I think everybody needs a little motivation, little encouragement, you know. No one's perfect, but look at that. How pretty is that? Grow it at your own pace. Dream it, then do it. So yeah, you get 50 of them in there. Real nice. Love those. So I did order another of the black ones. So I'm good and stocked. Now these ones are like little flowers, and they come with, I believe, the leaves and the flower topping. Yeah, look at that. And I don't think they fit on my pokey tool, but let me see. No, they don't. So this one's, they got their little leaves, and then you got your lily on top. So cute. So cute. I got that one. Now these are some flat circle beads, and this is what I use to do my own beadable pin, fancy pins, like that. I'm going to be doing a video because I got one that I'm going to be doing, but yeah, that's what I use as a base. So I got some of those because I needed more in my stash. And yeah, that is my little haul I want to share with you. A lot of it is springy and flowers, but yeah, I love. So I will put everything in the description below if it's available. Let me know what is your favorite. Comment, because I do love to hear from you. Like the video. Do subscribe if you haven't, so you do know when I upload a video, and hit the notification bell. And yeah, I hope everyone has a blessed day and a wonderful day. And yeah, until next time, bye bye.